Naku apa tip siapang cumi. Bakal pat. Bapinom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kakanhun Menteri yang Sarkar Jala Pratarik Unaitung Arja Penriu kla menjuri ke Pynbeit Thymmai Soskular Khanang Pynkylla Orchid Resort akasnong Mawkasiang New Shillong Syaka Kyrdan 5 star. Hagajing akran miglap thai kubor Menteri rong ba tu bagani gejing terwak lawan nakanhun besimti ben pania Orchid Resort.
As you're aware that the Mawkasiang Orchid was tendered out, was leased out, and the concerned parties who got the project got the permission to start, or to take over the property and the property is leased out, and they're running the property. But there is a demand from them to allow them to invest and make that property into a 5-star, because right now it's not, by the investments being made by them, by the private sector. And so based on that, obviously the terms and agreement of the lease have to be amended. So this came to the cabinet today, and we have decided to amend it based on the similar clauses which have been given to other 5-star hotels developments, which is basically that they have to put a deposit of 5 crores, one-time deposit, and also 4% of the overall turnover has to be given to the government of Meghalaya, the MTDC. So those terms and conditions will be, as part of the agreement. And once they accept that the permission to upgrade it to 5-star hotel will be, 5-star category resort will be given to the concerned party.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.